Hey guys, the US Census Bureau just released data that should wake up every small business owner in America, and I'm going to break it down in under 90 seconds. Hey, my name's Jay, the AI guy, and the US Census Bureau they survey a lot of people. As a matter of fact, they surveyed over 1 million businesses for their business trends and outlook survey. They were asking what business functions companies are actually using AI for right now. The number one answer they got: sales and marketing. Not IT, not operations, sales and marketing. It's great for what we do. 52% of businesses currently using AI are putting it to work in their marketing. The national AI adoption rate just hit 17.3%. But here's the part that blew my mind. That means that over 80% of businesses still haven't started. 80%. Now, most people hear that and they think, uh-oh. I hear it and think, window of opportunity. The businesses that figure this out now, they're the ones who will dominate their market in the next 2 years. And the best part, marketing is the easiest place to start with AI. You can see results in your first week. Shoot, you could see results in your first day. So listen, every Friday, I run a free AI workshop for small business owners. Implementation, helping you get AI into your marketing without the tech headache. The link is going to be in the comments. I'm Jay again. I'll see you there. And look at this. We're in North Carolina, 22.3% adoption. That's almost 80% not using it. Guys, if you own a business, jump on it right now. We'll see you soon.